Don't you know that you're beautiful, just the way you are, just the way you came. Don't you know that you're beautiful, no matter what the scar.
Good morning, you guys, and welcome back to the vlog. And today we have a lot of fun stuff we're gonna be doing. Well, just regular mom life is what we're gonna be doing. If you're into that, please stick around. We're gonna do some cleaning and pick up our grocery order. I'll show you guys kind of what we bought for the week, kind of talk about how we are budgeting through the week for groceries, and show you that swimsuit haul because we are going on a trip, just me and hubby, in a couple weeks. So I will be taking these swimsuits. They are like mom approved. Yay! There's Ava. So we're really excited.
I'm pretending I'm making different presents for every year.
Yep. So she just ripped up a bow, a Christmas bow. Let's go ahead and start this day. Okay. So basically, like a month ago, me and Shanam started looking through our finances so we can get like a better control on how much we're spending. And we found that we were actually, this is gonna be a truth bomb, we actually were spending about $800 a month on groceries for the last few months. We were not spending the best way we could or the smartest way we could. I realized like my problem is that I would get groceries and I would go and buy. When I go do my grocery shopping, I would try and think of everything that I can buy like to cover us for a couple of weeks, which was not smart to do at all because A, some of your food goes bad if you don't finish it within those 2 weeks, and B, we kind of would end up overeating, like the kids would go through snacks faster. So now that we realized we were doing that and we kind of have a control on everything, a few weeks ago we decided we're gonna do a $400 a month grocery budget. That is not counting us going out to eat. We gave ourselves once a week to go out to eat. We've been doing great the last few weeks. I think it's been about 3 weeks. We've been doing amazing. Another way that it's actually working for us is that I am every Sunday planning our meals for the week ahead and just having an idea of what I'm going to make. So these groceries came out to $120. I did need a few extra things because I am trying 2 recipes this week. I figured that I could go over the $100 in our budget this week because we spent less than $100 last week. I really, really like it because now it's just working for us. I mean, we literally just cut our grocery bill in half and it's been working so far. It hasn't been a full month, but it's working. If you have any questions, you know, you just ask me in the comments. If you have any tips, also let me know in the comments. So I went ahead and just got a generic, I went to Fry's Grocery and I get a lot of generic like Kroger brand. So we got this bread, a thing of rolls to go with one of our dinners. And then we went ahead and got some burger buns because we do already have burger patties that we haven't ate yet that are in the freezer. And then a bag of chicken, just this pack of chicken here, just like some thin slices. I am going to be making like a Cajun chicken, a healthy Cajun chicken recipe. That's a new recipe I found on the Yumly app. It's the app I always use. A thing of milk, ketchup, tomatoes. The only downfall about using your grocery pickup is you don't get to pick out your produce, and these tomatoes do not look good to me at all. I did get myself some of these ice drinks. I went ahead and picked up an avocado because I still have another avocado and I only need a couple a week. And then I got a couple of different onions that I need for my recipes. I did get some Pop-Tarts, just easy convenience for the kids in the morning when they don't want like cereal or I'm not making like eggs like a full breakfast, then they can eat that. I went ahead and got this buttery homestyle mashed potatoes. We used to get these a lot when Ava was born because I was so tired. She didn't sleep through the night for like the first 1.5 years of her night. It saves time, it's super easy. It takes 1 or 2 minutes instead of me making them from scratch. Went ahead and got some beef. This is the mild Italian sausage that I need for the soup recipe. And then some pesto sauce and the better than bouillon that goes with the soup, the grated cheese, and I got some regular sliced cheese. I did get eggs. And then I went ahead and got a red pepper, some sweet potatoes. I've been enjoying some sweet potatoes. I'm really trying to watch my carbs, but I'm really enjoying those. I'll just have like half or whatever. I got these Nature Valley Biscuit almond butter. These are amazing. They're so good. Some Greek vanilla yogurt, some heavy whipping cream, which goes with the Zupa soup. I'm gonna say Zupa because I don't know what it's called. We needed some butter. I get the unsalted kind. Some kale, lots of kale, grapes, blueberries,
More
2 things of strawberries, because we literally get fruit every single week.
Because I love strawberries.
You do love strawberries, so do I. And then cilantro. I got some turkey bacon this time instead of the regular bacon. I got some hot dogs, zucchinis. I got a couple of these Lunchables. I'll give a couple
Only
for...
2.
Yeah, we'll do a couple Lunchables for Ava to go to preschool, and then I'll make her lunch the other couple days. They're just like for days that I'm in a hurry and I don't have time to make lunch. As you can see, it's not a whole lot. If you've watched my previous grocery hauls, which I'll link down below, I would get like double the groceries, and it's just so much because I ended up getting double and like planning for 2 weeks, but I ended up needing to go to the groceries. Somebody's at my door. Hold on. I ended up needing to go to the grocery store anyway. So let me see who's here. Ooh. What was that? Did you hear the door?
No, it was me.
Oh.
I was just doing that chicken.
Oh, I guess it was Ava. So crazy. So yeah, anyway, I just spent like 10 minutes talking about groceries. So right now I'm just gonna go ahead and clean up my room a little bit, make my bed, get it just livable. I just needed to clean up the room so I can show you guys these bathing suits and get the room clean, so it's clean. Anyway, I'm super tired. I've been editing for a very long time, and we just been kind of chilling. We played a couple games. What games did we play? You can come over here.
So we played, you have to put the fish on the different spot and put that spinner on the other people's spot.
Yep, that's right.
And then we had to play the other game.
Yes.
The other game called spin the spinner and roll that middle thing, and then the ball has to roll in the middle.
That's right. Let me get my drink real quick. We played a game, did some editing. Usually on Mondays, I typically rarely even get ready for the day. I barely brushed my hair today, and we are mostly home because I'm usually, oh, you can't drink this. This is pre-workout. I am drinking pre-workout a little bit early just because I needed it to kind of get me going.
I just had a little bit of pre-workout.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did. I just licked it.
Oh, you didn't drink it though.
That's why I just licked it.
Okay, don't lick it. So these are amazing. I love this company so much. The Alani New, I think it's called. And this is a new flavor I just tried, and it is so good. I usually get the rainbow candy like Skittles one, but I think I like this one a little bit more because it's not as sweet. It kind of tastes like lemonade or like that white Gatorade, the ice Gatorade. What are you doing? I'm gonna go ahead and show you some of the bathing suits that were sent to me. All right, so this is actually from a company called Cupshe. They have like a bunch of swimwear and stuff like that, and it's pretty affordable, so I'm really excited about that. I'm really thankful that they sent these swimsuits out because me and Shanam were actually taking like it's kind of like our honeymoon just because we haven't got away together. The only place we got away together since we've been married is Vegas. Like, we are going to Hawaii, which is our favorite place. We've gone like 3 times since we've been together, and we just love it. He loves it. He loves Hawaii. So I do have these bathing suits they sent. I'll go ahead and show them. I'll try them all on and give you guys kind of my little review on them. I'll also have links down below, and I'm trying to see if I can get a coupon code for you guys. So if you're interested in any of these bathing suits or checking out their website, because they have like really great bathing suits that are very inexpensive, then I will try and get that coupon code and put it in the description so you guys can get hooked up. I'm gonna go ahead and say that this is definitely one of my favorites because of the two-tone colors. And the halter top. So it has like the solid bright color here, and then stripes down here, which I really like. It has that crunch where it's like kind of gives you that tummy tuck or that form-fitting around your midsection, which is really nice for some people like me who like that. The only problem I have is on the sides. Most of these bathing suits, I had a lot of problems with my breasts because they just don't fill in the top parts of these swimsuits. These are size medium, and you know, there's not a lot I can do. This was super cute, but again, the top part, I actually really like this one too. I'm all about floral and stripes. Like, I have like pajamas, robe, certain things, shirts that are like floral and stripes. I don't know, but really like this bathing suit a lot. The only problem is the top part. Again, my top doesn't fill this in, so if you guys got a nice set of breasts, then they'll probably fill this in. They'll probably fill this in really nice, and you won't have that issue. So yeah, this is a size medium. Other than that, it's a really nice bathing suit. This one's super comfortable. So this one was okay. It's this top and bottom. I really like the bottoms. They're super cute. Again, floral, high-waisted. They have like a little bit of the crunch on the sides. Everything is just kind of tucked in and, you know, hidden, and I really like that. And then the top, for me, I think for like surfing and when we're doing more like ocean swimming, paddleboarding, surfing, like things that are a little bit more aggressive than just laying out, I really like this top because it's almost like a sports bra or like a bra. And let me know what your guys' favorite swimsuit is down in the comments. And if you guys do end up ordering any of these swimsuits, make sure you guys tag me or let me know, message me or anything to let me know how you're liking them. This is probably one of my favorites. At first I didn't think I was gonna care for it just because it's like so like sports bra type at the top, like very covering and everything, and I really liked it though. I thought it was super cute and how it fit and how it felt on me. It has this extra like little piece in the front just to give it some different design. My next favorite, that's one of my favorites, mostly because the color, I feel like the blue color was really flattering and just like bright, and it reminds me of like being in Hawaii, and that's this blue one with the floral. Again, high-waisted crunch on the side, the scrunchie or whatever on the side, so it looks really cute. And then the top part here is just, I like it. This was a more comfortable two-piece that was actually comfortable for me on the the top part. Last one that I'm going to show you guys is this one right here, and this one was a little bit tight on me, so I don't know how comfortable I would be in it, like laying out all day in this. I don't even know if it's necessarily like my size, more as my height, and since I'm like long and tall, I think this might be better for someone who's a little bit shorter. I'm 5'7", so I think it's better for someone just a little bit shorter, so then it's not like tight on them, if that makes sense. Like tight, it's just tight right here on my shoulders because it's like pulling down. Anyway, that is all the bathing suits. I'm glad I finally got to show you. If you guys are interested in seeing me and Shanam's like Hawaii trip, make sure you follow our Instagram, or my Instagram, because that's where I'm gonna show like the behind the scenes of everything. I'm not sure if I'm gonna vlog the trip or not, just because I want to have quality time with him. But that is definitely, I'll definitely be posting photos and Insta stories all through our day. I love Hawaii. Let me know if you've been there and what your favorite island is. But it feels so good to be out there, and like everyone's so nice and happy and friendly and positive, and that is like my life goal, is just to live like that. Like,
Won't go away. I've got that feeling rushing through my body. I know that it is here to stay. It's like you're my personal Illuminati. I know that some might say that I am just a bad girl, but if you treat me right, I will be the best girl in this whole world. No, I'm not gonna fight. I got my hands on your body, so tell me what you want me to do. I can be good or be naughty, because there ain't nobody love you like I do, like I do, like I do, like I do, like
good job. Good
I
job.